Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math. Finding the sides of any 30, 60, 90 triangle. Let's start with an equilateral triangle. Since it's equilateral, we know all of the angles have to be 60 degrees inside, and if we cut it in half, we know this angle at the top has to be 30 degrees. For the sake of ease, let's call all the sides of our triangle length 2x, which means if we cut this bottom in half, the right side is just going to be x. If we isolate the right half of this, we can see it's definitely a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We can say that hypotenuse is 2x, the small side on the bottom is x, and we have to find out what this long side is going to be. So with the Pythagorean theorem, we can set it up and find out that x squared plus b squared has to equal 4x squared. Solving for b, we find that b squared equals 3x squared. Square rooting both sides, we find that b is equal to x times the square root of 3. That means our longest side of this triangle is x times the square root of 3. For classification purposes, we call the side across from the 30-degree angle the short leg, and the side across from the 60-degree angle the long leg. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.